GBPUSD passed a volatile week where the price action from the 1st of February failed to break from the rectangle pattern. Instead, the price tested the top and bottom of the rectangle pattern more than twice, opening a possibility of a breakout. This technical analysis shows that the MACD histogram remained corrective at the neutral level while the current price is above the dynamic 20 EMA with multiple bullish rejections. In that case, as the existing market trend before the rectangle pattern is bullish, any sign of buyer's dominance has a higher possibility of taking the price up. The primary trading idea of GBPUSD is to find buying opportunities from dynamic 20 EMA to 1.3485 static level with a bullish rejection. In that case, the primary target of the bullish pressure would be towards the 1.3834 level. On the other hand, a break below the rectangle pattern would need more confirmations before aiming towards the 1.3356 level.